Welcome to this algebra lesson on evaluating numerical expressions. Today, we are going to master multi-step calculations by learning how to apply the order of operations correctly. Mathematics is a language that requires precision. To ensure that everyone gets the same answer for a problem like 3 plus 4 times 2, we follow a specific sequence of rules. This is called the order of operations. The first step is always parentheses or grouping symbols. Look for calculations inside brackets. If there are brackets inside brackets, start with the innermost set and work your way out. The second step is exponents. This includes powers like 3 squared and square roots. Evaluate these numbers before moving on to multiplication or addition. The third step involves multiplication and division. A common misconception is that multiplication always comes before division. That is incorrect. They are equal in rank. You must solve them from left to right, whichever appears first. The final step is addition and subtraction. Just like the previous step, these two operations are equal. You must evaluate them from left to right. Let's look at a basic example. 15 plus 2 times 3 minus 4. Multiplication is higher priority than addition or subtraction, so we do 2 times 3 first, which is 6. Now we have 15 plus 6 minus 4. Moving left to right, 15 plus 6 is 21. Finally, 21 minus 4 gives us 17. Here is a harder one with nested grouping. 2 times bracket 9 plus parenthesis 3 times 4 close parenthesis close bracket. We start with the inner parenthesis. 3 times 4 is 12. Now we solve the outer bracket. 9 plus 12 is 21. Finally, 2 times 21 is 42. Be careful with this one. 36 divided by 3 squared times 2. First, we do the exponent. 3 squared is 9. Now we have 36 divided by 9 times 2. Division and multiplication are equals, so we go left to right. 36 divided by 9 is 4. Then, 4 times 2 is 8. A very common mistake happens with addition and subtraction. In the problem 10 minus 2 plus 5, you might be tempted to add 2 plus 5 first. This is wrong. You must go left to right. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 8 plus 5 is 13. To summarize, always solve parentheses first, then exponents. Next, handle multiplication and division from left to right. Finally, handle addition and subtraction from left to right. Writing down each step will help you avoid errors. Now it is your turn to practice. Try solving this expression, 8 plus 2 times, parenthesis, 10 minus 6, close parenthesis, squared. Pause the video now and work it out. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.